together. We made it all together. We made them rich, but we can make them poor. Pushing back on the fire door.
Hey everybody, today is April 17th and it's about 1 in the afternoon here, and I just wanted to show you, got a nice sunny day out. We've been banging the solar for quite a while, and these batteries are up to 97% inside here. This one is sleeping, so that means it's not going to discharge, but it has reached 100%. So that's good. That's going to be our backup battery for a while. And we'll see what the amp meter says here. Measures the flow of power in and out of the battery. So right now it just started discharging. So you see 97% discharging. So there's a slight imbalance right now. Something popped up. 8,000 watts is what it says we're doing right now. We got one car doing 10 amps, and we have another car doing 20 amps. That's probably what it is right there. We're doing 20. So I'm just going to adjust this. So this one I'm adjusting down a little bit to maybe 7 amps. Pull this one back maybe to 18 amps. So that made it go idle again. So it's just a matter of how much sunshine, how many amps we're using. So good stuff. And so what does this matter? Well, it matters because the more that we're off grid, the less likely it is that we're going to get a big electric bill, number one. Number two, the more we're off grid, the more we are relying on ourselves for the power, and the power comes from our own roof. So that's a good thing. Self-reliance is a good thing. Taking care of the grid has a certain amount of carbon footprint associated with it. In Pennsylvania here, we have nuclear power, we got water power. A lot of the plants that are generating electricity are methane powered plants. At the very least, they're using methane and oil. This means that we're using less of that climate and health changing pollution source. All right, take care, be good. Hey, I'm just checking in here. It's 2:37 a.m. You can see these guys right here. Says what, 6% in battery, I guess. 6%. Putting out 16 amps on this one and 10 amps on this one. So we're still off grid. They're outputting all together. We're still getting wattage off the solar panels, even though it's a little. And then the house load is 1164 for our battery backup. Tomorrow's supposed to be a sunny day, so I'm just going to turn it on. It should start discharging instantly. There it goes. So it's 99%. And then these guys will start to probably soak up some of that juice that's coming by. Let's see. Yeah, we're still at 24 amp discharge. So yeah, so this will go on for the rest of the night. Hopefully it'll last all the way through the AM. I could have turned this on sooner. Wouldn't have made any difference. It would level out at the same rate, just based on the usage. All right, so these guys are now showing big 6% now on the screen, and it says they're charging, but really what's happening is there's power just transferring into these batteries on the way by. It's a part of the BMS and part of the leveling system. That's it for now. 2 in the afternoon, so 24 hours later. And you can see here by the chart below that we made it all the way through the night. During the night, it was on and off, so there's a little heat source that comes on and off during the night. And then at around 7 o'clock in the morning, 7:55, almost 8 o'clock, we start seeing a lift in the solar production there. So the green part is the solar production. I just removed the state of charge line there, so it's a little easier to see. So the blue is the battery discharging, and then the blue down here is on this side is the battery charging. So what happens is the electric cars start charging right around 10 o'clock or so, and so the battery, when I checked it, was at 97%. So we're still off grid right now. We got 4900 solar. It's a cloudy day right now, overcast, and the battery is still charging up to 100%. So there's 3 of them now that are charging up to 100%, and the house load is 2787 or 89. It's 2789. So there you go. That's it. This stuff really works. Very powerful.